It's all very good talking about technology, but there's nothing like seeing it in action. I'm here with Yazid at the Sysmex stand at WHX Labs in Dubai 2026, where you've got a whole production line to show us, Yazid. What are we going to be seeing?
Yeah, thank you, David. Yeah, actually, I'm really happy and proud to introduce you to the blood science concept. What is blood science? Blood science is basically an ecosystem which is bridging hematology and hemostasis into the same automation track.
Okay.
And what I'm really proud of is that we are also showcasing today a new pre-analytic system, which is basically fulfilling the whole automation, from pre-analytics to clinical decision support.
All in one go.
All in one go, and actually I have my colleagues that will give you the details that you need to know about this blood science concept, and we'll start with Toby, who will introduce you to the pre-analytics.
Thank you, Yazid. Toby, what are we looking at?
We're looking at the Atlas CM, our newest pre-analytic automation solution, which actually has a nice bulk loader for the EDTA and cytometry tubes, which the customer loads in bulk, and it takes care of the automatic sampling and distributes the samples over there, as you can see here, towards our next part of the Atlas CM, which is happening here. So we sort all of the EDTA tubes into the racks specifically, and for the coagulation, we sort them into place them into a centrifuge, which is integrated and standardized, often standardized centrifugation, and then placing it to the automation line.
Right, so we come around here to the next automation piece. What are we looking at here?
So here directly we have the interface where everything from the pre-analytic is placed into the racks and being sent towards our automation line. So you can see here our BT50 where they are entering, which is our smart gateway into the automation line. It's scanning and identifying the racks and the samples and sending it towards the analyzer, but also manages QC and maintenance for the whole hematology line.
Fantastic, really impressive, taking us on the first quarter here. Right, who do we speak to next? Sarfraz, what have you got for us? How does this journey continue for us here?
Well, the blood science concept manages the hematology sample workflow by automating their workflow with the connected with the SP, with the XR analyzer, with the CBC measurement to the SP50.
Right.
And the SP50 connected with the DI60 with the digital imaging of the smear workflow. The SP50 having methanol-free reagents to make sure to support the sustainability and the safety of the environment. The whole entire journey is seamlessly connected from the bulk loader to the final validated results.
That's fantastic. Sarfraz, thank you. I think we're going to chat with your colleague Simon over here next. Hello, Simon. Talk to me about where your machinery fits into this process.
Actually, David, here we have the coagulation system, where basically it will have a dedicated intelligent pathway. Samples, they will start with the standardized processing, and they are routed via the tube sorter, which is the TS10, which is the physical bridge of the whole system, before it reaches the CN series. The integration with the CN series will allow exceptional flexibility, starting from routine assays until dedicated specialized assays like plated. Then customers using our system will be able to use the multi-dilution analysis assays and automated mixing studies, which will allow them to standardize this process to the international recommendations.
Okay. Brilliant. Thank you, Simon. There is a brains in every operation, and Jamal, I understand that you are the brains of this operation. Just talk to me about where the heart of this is.
I will talk to you about the extended IPU. It's the smart brain of the automation. True automation is about smart decisions, and extended IPU is where automation meets intelligence. So extended IPU will control the sample workflow for the ADTA, the hematology part, and the trisodium citrate samples, connecting both systems together. The extended IPU also has a powerful out-of-the-box auto-verification, rule-based, secured auto-verification for allowing labs to reduce their turnaround time and also to improve their efficiency. The extended IPU will also control the post-analytical sorting and archiving, working and controlling the TS of the system.
Really impressive stuff, Jamal. Thank you very much. I think we should wrap up by going back to Yazid. Yazid, it's a really impressive demo that your colleagues have put together, taking us all the way from across the line here and talking us through it. congratulations on putting that together, bringing it here to WHX Labs in Dubai. But there's a lot more than just this on your stand here at Sysmex, isn't there?
Exactly, David, you're right, and this is why we are excited to welcome everyone at our booth for the rest of the week with smiles.
Well, I've been happy to chat to you for the last few minutes. Thank you very much for chatting us through that, and I wish you a very, very successful week here at WHX Labs in Dubai 2026. Thank you.
Thank you, David.